Hey y'all, we're back. Okay, so we're doing nails this time, and girl, like the acrylic was a struggle. Everything was a struggle. Okay, like I had a nail tip go on crooked. It was a mess. But okay, so here I put some cuticle oil. It's the same OPI. I place it on all the cuticles before I push them back, and then I like to wipe it with alcohol so that it's not still sticky with residue. And then filing down my nails just to smooth them out. Also, I kind of smashed some fingers after I took off the lime green nails. So that happened. Like, if I don't know if y'all can see it, but my pinky on both hands it's like deformed, slick. There's no like open wounds or anything, so I proceeded with the nails and I let them breathe for like a week or so. I let them breathe. I wasn't just being lazy, but okay, so yeah, I'm still filing them. Filing is like kind of easier on my nails, but I noticed like if I do my mother's nails or something, it's a lot harder to do someone else's nails. I don't know if it's like because I can't like twist your hand any type of way, because I be contorting my hand, boy. We be making shapes, okay? But so that's the nails. All right, now we're gonna do nail tips. Now watch this right hand. Ooh, was looking a hot mess. My fingers was going east, south, west, all types of ways, and already like my hand is crooked, so it kind of like was messing me up. But I really put the tips on like whack as heck. So y'all just gonna have to pray for me. This nail glue, the KDS nail glue, she be stuck on you, boy. She be all up on your nail, ain't going nowhere. I love her, but she sure don't help when my nails go on crooked. Like, woo, it'd be a mess. But just make sure when you're doing tips, if this is something that you're also interested in, that you check each nail. Don't just assume it's going to be the same shape every time. Always check and see if it fits on both sides. It's better to be bigger than smaller. You can always like file it just a little bit if you want it to just be a perfect fit. But yeah, so I always check each nail. I don't assume that I'm the same nail as last time, because especially now, since I don't mess my nails up, so some of the nail bed itself was damaged, so it was a bit shorter than what I'm used to. So it was look at how crooked that is. Woo! I gave up. I could not. And then I forgot my thumbs. Oh, at least my thumbs went on straight, I think. Normally they go crooked, but it's okay because, I'm going to file it anyway. And depending on how crooked it is, that might determine the shape I make. But yeah, so I cut the ends off to get the length. This is kind of getting easier too, because I remember the first time I did this, I cut one too short. So I had to, match all the rest, because I can't just have one jagged finger. Like, what I look like? So you want to like cut it and then put your fingers together, make sure they match. Place your hands on top of the other to like kind of balance it out. You see how I'm like making these little weird jazz hand things? And then just look at them all together just to make sure they're the same length. And then, always think of giving yourself a little extra length, because when you put the acrylic on, you're still going to file again, depending on how you lay it. And the way I lay it was wax, so we definitely going to have to file again. So I always give myself like extra space. I want to try like long nails, but the way I live life, the way I use these fingers, these nails be tools. So I don't even know about doing no long nails. But maybe we try, But okay. So I like to use this straight edge nail clipper, because the straight edge just takes a lot of time away from filing, and I can just do clip and clip. And there I go. I got my little coffin bootleg square. I kind of like a tapered square more than anything. But depending on how the acrylic comes out, I sometimes do end up with a coffin anyway. But I really do love a tapered square, or like a rounded squoval, whatever the heck. Those types of things. Just square anything. Not necessarily square, because square be looking like a flip-flop on my finger. I don't know. It just be looking like I got textbooks for hands. I don't be feeling it. For me. Anyway, if they long though, square be, ooh, she's that girl, okay? But I'm using the 100, 180 or 110, 180 nail file, just to flatten the ends. Again, give yourself leeway. I probably shouldn't have done this, because this acrylic y'all about to see, because I feel like y'all not really feeling just how messed up this acrylic about to look. I had baseballs on the tips of my fingers, okay? Oh my gosh, it was such a hot mess. And look at the setup. The setup messy. Like, I was stressed. We was stressed. It was a lot going on. Okay, a lot going on. But this is the primer by Young Nails. I really like her. I think she helps a lot with keeping the adhesion together. This is the monomer, same brand as last time. Mia's Secret. I use a shot glass because I'm poor and I'm not going to pay $7 for basically a bougie shot glass. But so I dab it in the monomer, then I touch the paper towel, and then I pick up my acrylic. And it's just, there's so much wrong with everything that I do. But I still haven't figured out how to make it perfect. So here we are. Like, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the way I pick up the acrylic. And also, like, the way I apply it. Like, there shouldn't be so much dried acrylic on the other side of the brush, but it is what it is. Like, I do try to start in the middle for the apex, but look at her, she still ain't got none. So it's like, what are you doing, you know? And look how thick the nail tip is. It is what it is. So I ain't tripping. I'm just, you know, we're gonna be real hopeful when they finally start looking like a set, you feel me? Because child, they be looking like a hot mess. Man, at least I got that shape in slick, but it really don't matter because once I put the acrylic on, I lose all the shape that I worked so hard for. So I'm still applying it. Look how bulky they are. Like, dang, you look like that FUBU jacket you used to wear in 2nd grade. Like, just looking like a hot mess. I promise I'm not here to just flame myself, but I deserve it because what is going on? Honestly, let's be real, okay? If anything, let's be real. What is going on? The pinky, actually, she was looking kind of cute. This is the ring finger, but that pinky, I don't know, I was kind of feeling her. She did what she came to do. She said apex, she said tapered. She didn't mess up the shape too much. She really was doing something. And honestly, I really do love just clear acrylic on nails. Like, I think it looks so cute, but the way I be applying this acrylic, I just can't wear it like that because she be looking so dusty. But I do love some like natural clear nails or natural colors or pink powder on nails. Love all that. I can't wait till I can get some pink powder, white powder, whatever. Some different acrylics. I want to try different acrylics. Not that it's going to make a difference, but it would definitely cut down on the time it takes to do nails because you do acrylic and I'm doing gel. So, and I was finna give up, y'all, and just do clear on these nails because I was so upset with this acrylic. But you know what? I was like, treat yourself, you know? So this the thumb was okay. She wasn't like too bad. And it's just crazy because I'm not even left-handed, so everything is struggle automatically, but adding on like basically sculpting on your nails, it's dang hard. Like, I don't know what is going on. I'm trying to get like the cuticle, like it was kind of lacking. Like I was like being too cautious and I wasn't even filling it up to the top of the nail. So that's what I'm doing here. But yeah, she's a hot mess as general. Also, did I say that I got a new brush thinking it's gonna be the brush's fault? But no, it's just me. I don't know what I thought. It's the same brand, Pana Kalinsky, same size, 8S. So I don't know what I thought I was gonna do with it, but honestly, I feel like it was so awkward with this new brush. It was like too fresh. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it was too stiff. So I was kind of bending it in the monomer in between recording. But yeah. And also, y'all, like, it is so difficult trying to attempt to show what I'm doing with the acrylic to the camera and also not mess up even more than I already am, you know? Like, I don't know. Next time I want to try to like get a big glob and just let it kind of like hold it at an angle so it can just glide down and I'll just try to keep it in shape, and then whatever excess, just wipe it off. But I also feel like if I did do that, it would just give me a real thin tip, and I would still have to add more, and then that's where I would lose what I just did, you know? But to fix all the mistakes, the many mistakes I just did on this acrylic, I'm filing it down and shaping it. That took about, alone, I would probably say 15 or so minutes just to file each nail and make it look regular, like I actually did them well. But anyway, now this acrylic, this gel was giving me so many issues, y'all. Like, it was coming out watery or it wasn't sticking, but so I gave up. Then I was just gonna do clear, and then, you know, I tried again because why not? We did hot pink and she came out okay. And also I lost all the recording, so that happened. But anyway, she looking straight. She could be better, but it's all right because you can't really see that close. Bye.